Hello and welcome. This is Cara, and if you are new here, I have an Etsy shop where I make digital kits. Plus, on YouTube, I do tutorials and love junk journals. So, if you haven't, I would love for you to subscribe. And if you're coming back, thanks so much. It's good to see ya. All right, so today I haven't done this in a while, so I thought it would be kind of a fun thing to do. Kind of show you my process that I go through before creating a journal, which involves making lots of mess and piles in my craft room. So, I want to start a Christmas journal using the Rustic Christmas set that also coordinates with the 5 days of Christmas. So what I've done is I had an idea that this book cover was the one I wanted to use. I liked that it had a wider spine. I think this is a book that I grabbed from Dollar Tree. And then over here, I have a bunch of different things that I want to add to my journal. So let's start with these things right here. Last year, was it? I don't know. I'm going to go with last year. I bought, because I love all of their things, I bought a ton of the Elizabeth Craft design dies and cut a bunch out, started a December daily, and I think I did maybe 3 pages and then I stopped. Well, I'm really sad because I bought all of these dies, and as you can see, I made a whole lot of pages using the dies. Well, I thought, okay, maybe I don't put it in their 6-ring binder like I started last year. Maybe I put it actually in this journal with my digital. So I've pulled these out, and I think what I'm going to need to do is either add fabric. Let me see if I can make this a little easier to see. Either add some fabric between the pages so that it will make a nice page like that, or washi tape or something. So I'm basically going to cover up where the holes are, and then that will make it able to be part of a signature. And so this is from the scrapbook paper I was going to use last year in my journal. And I have a bunch of things that I've pulled because like I said, I love the dies. Like this little pocket, isn't that so cute? And so I have pockets here, and the paper is really cute. I think this is 49th and Market or whatever it's called. Pretty sure from their last year's kit. And like this is a little flip out. So yeah. So I'll do something, I'll show you how I end up putting those together later on. And then I went through my stacks of the new Tim Holtz papers. I don't forget what he calls his stacks now, but I pulled these out because I thought they matched. And then I have some of the kit printed. Basically, I have some of the background pages as well as the journal pages. So those are ready. And move that aside. Then I went through some buckets and bins. I think I still have one bucket or one little thing to go through to see if I can find some more retro or vintage things to toss in the journal. So I have recipe cards that I found. That's really cool. Christmas card. I love this one. I think this will be so cool in the journal. The only thing I just thought of right now is it might not. Let's see. Oh yeah, see? Okay. The width. I might have to cut it down the middle and then have in one signature Merry and then on the other one Christmas, which wouldn't be bad because I think it's really cute. All right, and then I had some old wrapping paper, 2007, I guess it's not that old, but 2007, this vintage style wrapping paper. And then I had some music pages. And then I went to my Edith Holden book and I took out some of the December pages. Isn't this so pretty? I love that. And then I found this is super cool because I live in Arizona. I don't even know where this came from. Oh, it came from an Arizona Highways. but I don't even recall having this one, so who knows. But I thought this was fun since it's from Arizona. And then I have this piece of scrapbook paper that I thought matched the kit. And then a Norman Rockwell page. I have a Norman Rockwell book. And then some Ideals magazines. Look at that retro page. Isn't that crazy? Kind of funny. And this one with the window and the snow. And I liked this one with the Christmas tree. And that one with all the old ornaments. And then I have a couple pieces of coffee dyed paper. So that's what I pulled out as far as papers that I want to make my signatures with. And then the other thing I do, move this out of the way, is I go through my fabric tub and I see if there's fabric that I like, ribbons, that kind of thing. I recently went to Joann's and I bought this fabric. I love this fabric and I think it works really well with this Rustic journal kit. So I have some fabrics to work with, and then what else do I have? I also bought, I think, I've never really put one of these, what are they called? Label frames on the front of a journal. But I think this would be really cool to put on the journal and then maybe put like the year 2021 in there. Sorry, I'm just pulling stuff because I keep finding things that I've set aside off to the side. I also have a bunch of ribbons and lace. And this one. I think that's, yeah. Oh, no, I see one that I just absolutely love. All right, got stuck behind. Ah, it's unraveling, so I pull it. This one, oh my gosh, isn't it so pretty? And then, yeah, so I have my ribbons, I have my fabric, my stuff. So, you know, I also have like the Tim Holtz ephemera that I bought for Christmas and all that kind of stuff. And that's over in a bucket. So this is kind of what I wanted to start with. All right, so I'm making 2 journals because I wanted to use both of the kits. The Gnome Kit as well as the Rustic Christmas. So I did the same thing for my Gnome Kit. So let me show you what I'm thinking for that. I feel like I still need to pull some things for this guy. I really love these little pouches from Dollar Tree. It keeps everything together. All right, so I thought I had this golden book, the Snow White, but I didn't. So guess what I did? I bought it on Amazon. I probably could have gone to a Goodwill and found one for a lot cheaper. And look, it's like in pristine condition. Not usually what you would do with your golden books. They'd be a little rough around the edges. I thought that this would be fun. It's not Christmassy, but I loved the forest aspect and all that stuff. So, and I felt like the colors matched, kind of go with the, and dwarfs and gnomes, maybe they're friends. maybe they hang out on the weekends or something, I don't know. And then I also found in my stash, I have these stamps. Where are these from? Where are these from? I don't even know. What, I think maybe I found these on like Wish or something. I don't know. I really couldn't tell you. There's no packaging. This is a die from Simon Says Stamp. And then I pulled out my Christmas embossing folders. One with snowflakes and then snowflakes on the outside. And look at this fabric. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. And I ended up getting like the last of the fabric that was on the bolt. Isn't it the cutest? Again, I guess it's kind of Christmassy. There are trees, but it's so cute. It's so cute. So I'm so excited to use that. And then I found this other gnome fabric. It's really cute, but it doesn't do the same for me as this one. But it's really cute with the gnomes. But they're very different style. Like, look at these gnomes. I mean, They are so similar, I feel. Like same style almost to those gnomes. So cute. That's so cute. Alright, so anyway, so here's this fabric I found. Super cute too, though. And here's these guys hiding out in their trees. And this one, I again found this fabric at Joann's. They had a sale on their pre-cut. And then I love this red and white. Oh, but look at this one. Oh my goodness. Those mushrooms with the birds. Get out. Get out. So cute. Okay. Anyway, so I gush. So there's the fabric. And then I was like, well, man, I mean, it's not really vintage. So I was looking on the scrapbook.com and I thought that the new Vicki Boutin, words are hard, her collection, there's the word, would go really well because it's all bright colors, kind of has that watercolor feel. So I bought some of the Vicki Boutin stuff, and somewhere I have the papers. I don't know. Oh, here they are. And then I bought the big 12 by 12 paper pad of her stuff. So I'm just gonna see if I can do like, see how it's bright and watercolor, and look at those. Oh my gosh. I think that page is going in that page too. Yeah. So, oh, so cute. So I'm going to put some of these pages in with the journal. And what's really fun is I can't believe it, but I've never made, I'm saying that and I'm thinking, I don't think I've ever made a golden book journal, have I? I don't know. I feel like it's a no. So that's kind of where I'm at. And then I did pull some ribbon to kind of coordinate with this as well. Plus the other ribbon would definitely work. So, whew, 2 journals. Yeah. So I just thought I would show you my little thought process. I get my stuff together. And then my next thing that I'm going to do is go in and, what I didn't think about is, until just now when I started thinking about this, I could shrink my kit down, right, to match the golden book, or I might just sacrifice some of it and cut some of it off since I've already printed it, and I'm running out of yellow ink on my printer, which is very sad. So let's see, like this guy, are the birds gonna be, yeah, the birds are good. Okay. So I think I might just cut them because look at, they're all printed and look good. My printer right now is losing the ink. So anyway, so the next thing I would do is go in and cut all of my pages, including my scrapbook paper and like the other stuff. I'm not gonna do that on video because I think that might get a little boring, but I can come back and probably in the next video kind of show you where I'm at. Yeah, let me know because I'm gonna kind of be working on both, but let me know in the comments which journal you would like to see next. You know, if it's, oh, I want to see how, I don't know if I'm making sense. In the next video, I can either post where I'm at with the Rustic journal or with the Gnome journal. And then, you know, of course, I'll post the other one another time, but let me know which one you want to see sooner. I'm not making sense. Okay, now I have a pile of stuff that I have to go figure out what to do with, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.